This is BBC One. In light of current events, this is tonight's schedule, starting in a moment with a one-show special with tributes from viewers concerning the late monarch. That is followed by a national tribute to the King at 7:30. Then at 9, it's a BBC News special. There is more information about schedule changes online at the BBC website. Now on BBC One, it's a one-show special. For more information about schedule changes in your region, please visit the BBC website. This is BBC One. Now the nation pays its tributes to His Majesty, the King.